So today I'm going to show you a water science experiment that is amazing, magical, mind-blowing and spectacular. So let's see what we need for this experiment. So friends, for this experiment we just need a transparent water bottle filled with room temperature water. Please don't use glass water bottle because it can break. So friends, now we have to put the water bottle into the deep freezer. I am putting 2 water bottles because just in case. So let's put that into the deep freezer. We just have to wait for 2 hours and then our magical experiment will be ready.
Now take out the water bottle carefully and clean its surface. Then hold the water bottle and push it powerfully. Wow! Wasn't that amazing? Let's see it in slow motion. Wow! The water is freezing in front of our eyes. Let's try it with a big bottle. Oh, I think I should have waited a little more for this one. So now let's see what type of ice has formed inside.
Wow, इसका जो ice है, it's rubbery. It's type of a rubber ice. It's very rubbery.
So what will happen if I put this water on the ice cube? Let's see. Wow, isn't that amazing? I can't just explain, it's so wonderful. Please, please, please try this experiment at home. You will enjoy a lot. This experiment was so amazing that my mom also wanted to try this. But be careful while doing this experiment because if the eyes get touched with your water, your experiment will get ruined. Let's do another fun with this experiment. This time we will put the ice cube on the water. Let's see what will happen. Wow, again the water is freezing in front of our eyes. Please try this at home. I guarantee you, if you do it correct, you will enjoy a lot.
So friends, now you will be wondering, how can it be possible? That's because the water inside the bottle is super cold, and a super cold liquid is the one in which the temperature of the water is below its freezing point. This process in which the water undergoes to form crystal or ice is called nucleation. It encourages the molecules to form crystal-like nucleus onto which the others can then latch. So friends, this was all for today. I hope this video blew your mind. So if you were amazed with this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.